So now this is our frame. Then I'll scroll, I'll look for my blob. I'll click on see all in the blob. Then this is the blob section. So I'll look for this one. I like this one. I'll click on it. Then it will open our Canva design page. So I'll move this towards this end. I'll increase the size again. I'll move downwards. Then I click on this X here. So I click on my uploads. Then I just bring in that previous image again. So I'll mock this up. I'll move it like this. I'll so okay, I'll be deleting the image and I'll re-upload it again. I'll click on my uploads, click on the image, then position it like this. So now I'll delete it, I'll re-upload it again. Just delete it, delete image, not frame. The frame is this white something. So I'll click on the uploads, I'll bring in my image again, then I'll reduce the size a whole lot. I'll click on it like this. So I don't like it like this. Reduce the size again. So now okay, it's still the same thing. So I'll move over to my keep notes and I'll copy our first paragraph. So I'll copy here. In the vast expanse of the African savanna, giraffe and crocodile forged an imparable bond. I'll click on copy from our notepad. I'll come to my Canva. Then I'll click on our text box. This is our text. I'll click on it. I'll click on add a text box. So I'll edit our text box by adding our paragraph. I'll click on this edit, this first icon. Then I'll hold it. For laptops users, you can just right click or you do your control V. So I'll hold it long steady. I'll click on my paste. This is my paste. Click on the paste. So now you can see it. That's our first paragraph. So I can just position it the way I want it. I can just position it the way I want it. I'll reduce the size again. Then I position like this. In a vast expanse of the African savanna, giraffe and crocodile forged an improbable bond. So I'll change the color of this. Black is a dull color. So I'll just be changing the color to a yellow color. Change the color to a yellow color like this. Or I can select a color picker by clicking on this pen here. Just go to my color, this color here. Sorry, I'll go back again. Cancel. I'll click on the color. I'll show you how I did it. I'll click on my color. Then this place here. I'll click on the plus. Then I'll click on this pen icon. Click on the pen icon so I can select a color. You can see the colors are dull. So I love the one that I used. I'll just click on this cancel to cancel it. So that is how to select a color from an uploaded item already, just like your Pixel Lab. So I'll reduce the size of this again. Reduce the size of this. I'll reduce the size of this again. Just always make sure that they can be able to read whatever you upload. So now this is our first paragraph. So I'll just be uploading some trees to make it look better. So I'll just come to my elements. I'll just go back from this blob, go back from the frames. Then I'll search for trees. Search for trees. I'll allow it to load. Just click on my load icon. So these are trees you can use, but don't go and be using these trees. So just select a normal tree. And one thing with Canva, it's always a removed background. So anything you upload, the background, ensure it will be removed. So I just scroll here. So now you can see the advantage of the Pro I was telling you. When I just click on this Pro now, when I click on it, you can see I can use it for free. You can see the magic of the Pro. So I can use it for free. I'll just come to my transparency here. I'll scroll here. I'll come to my transparency. Then I'll reduce the transparency to about 48% just to make it more lighter. Then I'll position, sorry, just position here. I reduce the size again. Then I rotate it like this. I rotate it, position the size here. I just move it out. I don't want to crop it into the blob. I just position it here. So can be getting something like this. I'll move it outside here a little bit so they can be seeing the image. So now we'll be getting something like this. Then okay, then I'll be changing the background color. I don't love the color. I'll be changing the background color. So I'll save this and continue in the next